We saw her, right?
That is beautiful. Holy smokes. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, she came out really nice. It's a great color.
I didn't know it was this color, too. Like, it is that color. It's like, oh my god.
Yeah. When it's not faded and
Oh, look at the font. This is impressive work.
thank you.
I don't want to drive. Don't take them to the sand. Don't take them.
So we had this like, getting it restored to maybe we should just leave it looking junky so that, it's not a target for somebody to steal.
Yeah.